Welcome, welcome, welcome to day 4 of the 21-day live meditation experience here in the Blissing community on Facebook. I am so excited about today's meditation. I'm so excited to be joining you. I have some really amazing big personal news that I can't wait to share with you, and I can't share right now, so just stay tuned and keep checking in. But I want to tell you that in the process of kind of dealing with this news, I'm not pregnant, by the way, nobody guessed that. I don't want to start any rumors, but in the process of processing this news, there's been a lot of big wins. Been a lot of big wins, and this morning we had a very, very big win, and again, can't wait to share it with you. But this meditation is kind of based on that. And I'm also wearing my very special Audre Lorde quote shirt that says, "I am deliberate and afraid of nothing." I wore this in my New Year's meditation, and it is my mantra for 2019. I am deliberate and afraid of nothing, because I know, and this is what today's meditation is about, I know that no matter what obstacle I'm facing, no matter what struggle might be on the horizon, no matter what fear I'm harboring, there are helpers out there. There are people who love me and want to support me and want me to succeed. And if you feel like you're facing a struggle, or you have a fear or anxiety about something coming up in the future, about something going on in your life right now, know that I am one of your helpers, that I love you and I want to support you and I want you to succeed. And that is sincere from the bottom of my heart. So I asked you in the group today what you wanted today's meditation to be about, and the vibe is it's on point. Like we're riding that wave together, that we're looking for support, we're looking for encouragement. So I'm just going to get into today's meditation. I'm very excited. This is very special to me. It is from a hypnosis session. It's inspired by a hypnosis session that I had with my friend, celebrity hypnotherapist and author of Close Your Eyes, Get Free, Grace Smith. So pick up her book, Close Your Eyes, Get Free. I introduced Grace to my community, years ago, after we met at a Hay House writers conference, a workshop, and she came up and introduced herself to me, and I was like, oh my gosh, your work is amazing, and we made a video together, and then we made lots of videos together, and her career has just taken off, and that's wonderful. So this particular hypnosis session really helped me getting over my fear of singing in public, because I wanted to be a singer, and someone once told me that I was not so good at it. And here's the thing, if I'm good or I'm not, it doesn't matter, because I love to do it. Let's get to this meditation. I'm feeling very spicy today. So I want to invite you to find your easy or comfortable seat wherever you are. Just go ahead and shimmy and shake until you feel really good in your seat. Sit up nice and tall by inhaling your shoulders up to your ears like so. Exhale and roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. So now you're sitting up nice and tall with your chest open, your shoulders broad. Your hands can be resting on your knees or your thighs, downturned or upturned, to receive energy. Receive the energy of the helpers. And if it feels good, go ahead and close your eyes or focus on an object or a spot in the room or on your screen. Go ahead and bring your attention to your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Observe how your inhale feels as it enters your nostrils, passes down your throat, fills your lungs, your belly, settles in your seat, and then moves up and out of your body again. Just follow your inhale as it is. Let go of your exhale easily. all is well in this moment. So, I have this thing going on in my life right now that is wonderful and exciting, but there's some fear around it. There's some fear that everyone might not receive the news in the most positive way, that I might come up against some resistance. So what I've done in the process of sharing the news is to call in the helpers and to seek those who want me to succeed. I look for the helpers, as Mr. Rogers told us to do in hard times, when times feel hard and people seem bad. Look for the helpers. As you continue to follow your easy but deliberate inhales and exhales, notice how your body feels. Notice how with every breath cycle you are more deeply relaxed. You feel calmer, safer, more at peace and in balance in this moment. You are a helper in this moment, helping yourself to get to a place of peace and calm. Telling yourself, I love you. I'm here for you. You matter. You are worthy. I want you now to picture a stage and an empty auditorium. You are sitting on the stage, looking out at the seats. You are holding a piece of news or something about yourself that you are so excited to share with the world. But you might be a little bit scared about sharing it. You might need a little help, support, and love sent your way. But gosh, you're so excited. You feel joy and you want others to feel it too. Look out at the audience. And now, I want you to energetically call in that one person who you know can't wait to hear this news, can't wait to cheer you on. This person that you know loves you unconditionally, who wants to support you, who wants to celebrate you. Call in that person and watch as they take their seat right in the center of the front row. See their big, glowing smile, their warm eyes staring at you, excited, waiting for you to share your news. So deeply happy for you. Watch as they settle into their seat and gaze into your eyes. You feel their love. for those of you who might be struggling with seeing that person, I'd like to offer myself as that person for you. If you have trouble filling that seat, or if you have filled that seat, I'd like to be there too. Can I sit next to your person and wave to you and say, hello, I can't wait to hear your news. I can't wait to support you. Because I love you unconditionally, and I am your cheerleader, and I want to see you succeed. You are so special to me. Now imagine yourself sitting up taller now, feeling supported, empowered, excited, joyful, warm, sparkly. Imagine yourself sharing your news. Maybe with a whisper, maybe you're screaming it out loud. Share your news, your big plans, your dream, and welcome in that help, welcome in that assistance, that support, that love. This is all you need. You don't need hordes of people coming, rushing to you to support. And the rest of those seats are empty. There are no haters here. They are not welcome inside. They don't have a ticket to your show. They don't have permission to hear your big news. Only those you love get to hear it. Only those who love you get to hear it. Return to your easy inhales and exhales, feeling so worthy, so whole, so loved, so cherished. Follow your inhales and exhales and recognize them as an affirmation of your aliveness in this moment, your worthiness of being here. You are here on purpose, created with divine intention to do big things in this world. And you are loved and supported by your Creator, by me, and by all who are gathered in this meditation right now. Feel that love energetically. Feel that circle of love holding you, drawing you in. As we breathe together, 3 more inhales and exhales, you will be released from this time in meditation, and you will return to your day feeling wonderful, warm, supported, loved, cherished. Inhale with me together. Exhale, release. Inhale, filling fully. Exhale, let go. One more big inhale and open your eyes on the exhale. That's me in the audience. Giving you the paws up. I love you. I appreciate you. I honor you. I am so blessed by your presence. When I look out into my audience, I see all of your beautiful faces and all of your shiny souls and your wonderful energy supporting me every single day. It's what sustains me and moves me and compels me to keep showing up for you. I am so grateful for you. I am so grateful for the wonderful work that you are doing and you will continue to do in this world. I'm going to be sharing the first 7 days of these meditations on YouTube, so please share them with your friends. Use the link in the video description to share with your friends. Invite people in. If you invite them to the group, give them the link. Don't just tag them to enter them into the group, because I have to answer some questions. Thank you so much for meditating with me. We're going to keep doing this for another 17 days. This is my favorite part of the day. I hope that it's a good part of your day as well. Please leave any questions and comments and feelings and love or whatever in the comments. I will get to them all. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.